In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print or save a Zillow listing. 2026 guide. First, open your browser and head straight to the Zillow property page you want to keep. Give the page a moment to fully load. That means waiting for the photo carousel to finish rendering and making sure the listing facts section appears on the page. If images look blurry or sections are still populating, scroll a bit to trigger any lazy loading content. A fully loaded page ensures your print preview captures the most current information. Next, open the print dialog. On a Windows desktop, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. You can also right-click anywhere on the page and select Print. On mobile, tap your browser's menu, the three dots or the share icon, and choose Print. If nothing opens, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow the print dialog to appear. Now configure your output. Under Destination, choose your physical printer if you need a paper copy, or select Save as PDF to create a digital file. Portrait layout works best because it matches Zillow's vertical design. For pages, select all so long descriptions, price history, neighborhood insights, and other details don't get cut off. If you're saving a PDF, plan a clear file name and location so you can find it later, like the street name and date. Open more settings to fine-tune the result. If the preview looks cramped or a section is slipping onto an awkward new page, reduce the scale slightly. 90% is a good starting point, or set margins to minimum to reclaim space. Turn off headers and footers if you want a clean look without the page URL and date at the top and bottom. If you want the page to look closer to what you see on screen, enable background graphics to preserve map styles, shaded sections, and subtle colors. If ink or toner is a concern, you can leave that option off for a simpler, lighter print. Before you finalize, scroll through the entire preview. Confirm that the zestimate, description, key facts, contact information, photos, and any neighborhood details you care about are visible and arranged cleanly. Watch for odd page breaks in the photo area or missing sections. If something's off, close the dialog, return to the listing, expand any collapsed sections, then reopen the print window. When everything looks right, click Print to send it to your printer or save to generate the PDF, and that's it. Having a physical or digital copy of your favorite listings makes your home buying journey much more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.